We're here at Westmont College for a workshop on faith, climate, and action, engaging Christians on why we need to care for God's creation and take action on climate. When we have that small change in this global average, what it translates to is this big change in the extremes.
Being here is learning to bridge the divisive, polarized nature of the times we live in.
If you're able to get evangelicals, help them see the connection to their faith, then you can actually get them to be proponents of climate action.
Concerns for justice and the rights of the marginalized and the poor are preeminent in Scripture and in our stewarding of the natural world.
It absolutely is a theological issue and something that affects our neighbors.
I'm from a really big city, Mexico City, so I've seen how pollution affects the most vulnerable, and I hope I can make a difference.
Students are highly engaged. Faculty are coming with ideas that they want to take back to do a greater work beyond the conference. So it's been really positive.
So I want us to know we can affect change.
They're taking the science, putting it into conversation with who they are as Christians, and they're finding a way to take that information forward to make a difference.
It's been really cool to see how many things integrate together. Where can we put rain gardens to absorb more water, to decrease flooding, and things like that.
We have honeybees, so this is Apis mellifera. Aside from them, there are native California bees, so the best way to help your bees out is by planting native plants.
There is hope, and it's been really reassuring to be surrounded by so many people from my generation especially who are so passionate about trying to make a difference.
They are deep in Scripture and their desire to do climate change advocacy. It's really stemming from love of God, love of brother and sister, and love of Earth as well.
I'm just excited for the action part because we just finished the climate, the faith part of it, and it's what can I do from my side?